In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple browse abandonment products in Klaviyo. This is a helpful improvement for browse abandonment emails because it lets you display more than one product a shopper has viewed instead of showing a single item. When you set this up correctly, your email content can update automatically based on the customer activity, which makes your message feel more relevant without extra manual work. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main navigation on the left. Click Flows. This is where Klaviyo stores all of your automated sequences, including browse abandonment. Next, find your browse abandonment flow in the list and click on it to open it. If you have multiple flows with similar names, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the one connected to browsing activity, not cart abandonment or post-purchase. Opening the correct flow matters because you will be editing the email used inside that automation. Once you are inside the flow, locate the email you want to update. Click on the email block itself. Then choose Edit Template. This opens the email editor where you can change the layout and content. In the editor, you are going to add a table so the email can neatly display multiple products. From the Content Blocks panel, drag a table block into the email where you want the products to appear. A common placement is below your intro text, so the customer sees the items right away, but keep it consistent with your existing design. After the table is in place, click into the table so its options appear. Go to Table Settings. Then toggle Dynamic Table. This dynamic setting is what allows the table to populate with multiple browse items automatically, instead of being a static layout you would have to edit by hand. Make sure the dynamic option is clearly enabled before moving on. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in the template change so the flow email can use the dynamic product table going forward. It is a good habit to double-check that the save completes before leaving the editor, especially if you made other small layout adjustments while positioning the table. And that is all there is to it.